Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Ahda. And today, I want to make a little bit different English video. It's about IT project presentation. It's one of my project, or as you can know, it's my SKL. Yeah, SKL in my school. So actually, I make only a simple presentation because it's only for about 6 until 7 minutes. So I'm not really make it like very long. No, I only make a few slides. Okay, so let's start to my first project. Oh yeah, by the way, right now I will give you the presentation about three materials. It's about what robotic, IoT, and multimedia, or you can say it's design. Yeah. So this is my robotic project. It's the tiny bit actually. I think you can see in my previous video, I make a lot of uh lot of lot of tiny bit video because I make the tutorial, I make the demo, I make what the video of assemble and reassemble, and there is many more. Like I make it start when I 7th grade at second semester. So I start making the tiny bit. It's when I'm starting. It's when 7th grade at the second semester. So I do it. I started with the first project. It's in 7th grade. Yeah, 7th grade. It's wait a minute. 7th grade. Oh yeah, it's my line follower. If sorry if I'm wrong, you can see it on my video on my channel. You can see what is the first project or the second project. And for the first project in this semester, in this right now I'm 8th grade at the first semester. The first project it's uh the first project is the first project is what the name that's what I forget. Oh yeah, smart controller. Yeah, smart controller. So you using the phone controlling the tiny bit, so you can control the tiny bit from your phone. So you can control your tiny bit from your phone. So I already make the demo. I also make the tutorial also in my YouTube. So maybe after this you can watch it and learn it. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe my video, this my channel and my video, because it's will very supporting me as a new people in YouTube. Yeah. Okay, so this is my second project. As you can see, it's IoT microbit servo. Actually, it's it's part one of the tiny bit part. So as you can see here here the what the chip, you can see in here the chip, it's the name, it's tiny bit. So microbit. So microbit, it's when you code it, you can make this one, you can add the servo. So servo, it's the same thing like you controlling the wheel. When you make the code, like example, when you press B, sorry, when you press B, servo spinning 180 180. So it's wheel spinning, and at the real life, it's wheel spinning the tire or the wheel. It's wheel spinning 180. So actually that's a simple, but when you study it, when you learn it, very going inside to the microbit or the tiny bit, actually is very hard. And I think almost Astaghfirullah. I almost getting my brain. It's you know explode, like not mind blowing. It's blowing mind because it's very hard. Like you need to make this work. When you press this, you need to make this work. So as you can see in here, this is the name. The blue ones is the servo, and there is the microbit in here to control the servo. And of course, you need the power from the tiny bit or the charger from the micro. Yeah, micro charger. So this is my design. what my multimedia project. It's the travel poster. So you can see in here, I make it by really I make it by myself. Maybe really you can see in here, I really make it, bro. There is no like what like taking the materials from another. No, I'm not. I make it by myself, bro. It's very hard. Like I'm making about 2 or 3 days. Yeah, I make it 2 or 3 days because as you can see in here, it's very hard. And bro, you can see in here, yeah, I'm very take it. I make it, and Alhamdulillah, I can use it in this occasion. So you can see in here, it's I make the poster about travel. Yeah, actually, I want to change this one, but never mind. I already like with this. You can see there's a lot of things that I edit, I make it. It's really hard. So maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching my presentation video. I hope it's very beneficial for you guys all. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.